Hi everyone! Sa video na to, I will help you with the basics of Forex trading. To start, the reason bakit ko ginawa yung video na to is to help you understand how Forex market works. Alam ko yung feeling na di mo alam saan ka magsimula and wala kang makausap regarding trading stuff. So here, I will try to make this video as brief as possible because you might get bored easily, pero wag naman sana. There are already a lot of stock trader vloggers in our country and all of them are free. Kaya napili ko na mag-post na lang about Forex stuff. They should be flash on the screen, yung mga traders na finalo ko when I was just starting, as well yung mga sumunod ko pang finalo onward. So, there we have the trading channel, Money Growers, Alex Once, and then the two books na binabalik-balikan ko because they are the fundamentals and I'm telling you that's all you'll be needing. Tapos, on Facebook, before Risk Trader, finalo ko siya before when I was really down kasi puro quotes pa yung post niya before sa page. And then Aguila Trader, hi Kuya Paul. NFG, who's also a Forex trader. Yung post niya is mainly about finances and other related matter. And then also have there the blogs na very helpful. Okay. This content is to help you guys jumpstart your learning process of Forex market without spending a single cent. This video will also be divided into 8 parts. I will type down below kung ano yung mga parts so you can jump onto them. And I also make comprehensive videos as well on the listed topics sa mga susunod na araw. So please stay with me guys. Let's begin. Okay, part 1. The difference between stocks, forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies are mainly on the personalities of each market. But the application of the 3 types of analysis will just be the same. To put everything simply, sa stocks, you'll buy ownership shares ng isang company. Sa forex naman, you'll buy ownership shares in a country. Well, if you really think of it, kasi bibili ka ng currency or pera nila which has to do with the overall value of a specific country. Sa Forex, you'll be betting again sa dalawang bansa on whoever you think might go down against whoever. So, example, you choose the pair of USD JPY. So, that's US and Japan. It means you'll be betting that one economy will go up or down against dun sa isa. So, commodities naman, they are basic goods that are largely traded across the globe such as gold, oil, silver, coffee, orange juice, etc. Then meron tayong cryptocurrencies, which are the emerging type of virtual money that is being used worldwide today. Examples of such are Bitcoin, XRP, BNB, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Neo, you name it, sobrang dami nila. There are other markets other than the 4. You might just want to Google for them if you want to know more. Okay, part 2. Ang foreign exchange market ay isang merkado for global currencies. So let's say you've been going out of the country for travels and kailangan mo ng dollars and you exchange your peso to dollars. Then you're already part of the foreign exchange market. Sa madaling sabi, it's exchanging one currency to another and vice versa. And then next time you exchange a dollar for a peso, tapos yung USD mo tumaas or bumaba, then that's your profit or loss. The reason why traders buy and sell different currencies at a time is because we want to take advantage of the fluctuations or yung movement ng prices sa market. Take note na hindi lahat ng currencies around the world can be traded, well, for some reasons, but that won't be discussed. The major currencies, meaning malaki ang trade volume sa Forex market that one can trade are US dollars, Japanese yen, Great Britain pound, franc, Canadian dollar, euro, Australian dollar, and for others, sinasama nila yung New Zealand dollar. Part 3. Forex trading is a very promising thing, pero it can also bury your life. Bakit? Let's start with the cons. First, is the extreme volatility of the market. Meaning, traders are exposed to unexpected intense moves of the market. Minsan, strong uptrend na siya, yung isang currency, as in, for ilang oras, pataas lang ng pataas. Tapos sa isang hinga lang, biglang bagsak. So you might question what happened. If you don't have a proper risk management, then chances are you will get your account wiped out to zero and even to a negative balance. Second is finding a broker is really hard because kailangan ng thorough research, and there are a lot of scammers out there ever since technology helped in the emergence of forex trading. Parang mga kabote yung nagsulputan ng forex brokers around the world. Third is education. Kasi there's no formal education in forex, you have to study on your own and practice on your own. Well, you can say na mayroong brokers na nag-offer ng course, yung mga after ng seminar, they make you sign up for something, but that would cost you around 30 to 80,000 pesos. I know because I attended some before. Now, let's go with the good things that will definitely outweigh the bad ones. First is leverage, which means that even with a small capital, brokers can lend you money so you can trade more, so meaning more. Second is liquidity. Anytime you can buy or sell without waiting for a corresponding buyer or seller, unlike the stocks. And you can liquidate your profits anytime you want because of, again, the liquidity of the market, meaning how quickly you can get cash in your hands. Next is automation. With the technology today, you can schedule isang price ka mag-open ng trades, close your trades, set up your cut loss, take profits, and so on. Fourth is low cost. Since almost all cost is included in your broker's commission na, yung spread, traders pay less with regards to cost. And in our country, Forex don't have tax regulations yet. So just imagine that. Fifth is low capital requirements. For as low as $50, pwede ka na magbukas ng account. But of course, it's not ideal. Around $100 and up is safe. But if you're good, then why not risk mo and gain ng malaki, right? And lastly, Forex is a 24/5 market, meaning for 5 days, Monday to Friday, 24 hours siya. Unlike sa PSE natin, Philippine Stock Exchange, na nagbubukas 9:30 in the morning until 3:30 in the afternoon, Forex runs 24 hours a day. So, you can trade whenever you want, but still, mayroong mga oras na dun talaga, better mag-trade. Part 4 is Forex Jargons. I'm not going to discuss in detail each word, guys, pero maglalagay ako ng content description on each terms. Okay, first is PIP. So, yung PIP is usually yung last decimal ng currency pair. For example, dyan kay Euro USD, yung PIP niya is the last decimal place, yung 1. And then, swap. We also have swap. For me, swap is what they charge you when you hold a trade open overnight. Depende kung anong currency pair and kung anong position mo sa trade mo, if long or short or buy and sell. The next is long or short, simply means buy or sell. And then we have the spread. This is how Forex brokers earn from all our trades. And the next thing I want you to familiarize yourself with are the currency pair as well as their nicknames. Kasi guys, ito yung gagamitin nyo kapag nakipag-usap na kayo sa mga co-forex traders nyo, just to make your life easier, And then next one is these shortcuts. You'll see this often sa mga forex calendar. So we have cons for consensus, ref for previews, and actual for actual. Next, leverage. This is something to do with borrowing money from your broker. So, parang siya yung multiplier nyo. And then, lot size is the quantity of currencies, as in literal na quantity. So, for standard, you have 100,000 units. So, for a visual comparison, ito siya. Next is margin. You cannot withdraw this amount relating with an open trade. Parang collateral siya ni broker in case you lose your trade. So, example, meron kang $100. Tapos, gusto mo i-trade si Euro USD. Yun yung pair natin. Ang margin to trade Euro USD, for example, is $10. So, when you open a trade, technically, $90 na lang ang available money mo kasi naka-lock in kay broker yung $10 para sa trade mo kay EU. Now, once you close your trade for EU, marirelease na ulit yung $10 nagiging $100 na ulit yung pera mo. Of course, unless meron kang profit or loss dun sa trade. Ayun. So, there. This is non-farm payroll. This is one of the news na may highest impact on all the currencies na may USD partner. I know a few traders who only trade this kasi per month lang to, once per month. And that's it. I will try to make another video on how to trade news in Forex. Part 5. The 3 types of analysis you should be familiar with are fundamental analysis that looks at the country's economic strength. Things like political state, yung mga sinasabi ng mga nakaupo sa taas, the economical situation, and the social situation of a country. These could all affect a currency's strength or weakness. So, when you look at news that covers all these factors and base your analysis on those facts, that's when you're doing fundamental analysis. Second is technical analysis. Kapag tumitingin ka sa chart and pinipredict mo where price is gonna go by analyzing previous data or what we call backtest. This includes looking at price, diba? What price has done historically. So you could be using indicators such as moving averages, major support and resistance areas, basically anything to do with charts. The last one is sentiment analysis, a type of analysis that is kind of hard to explain or really understand. It's when you analyze how the market feels about the pair. It's also about how traders might react to news or economic releases or how strong a currency is. Now, you might ask, what is the best analysis among the 3 in Forex trading? The answer is none without the other. They all have their strengths and weaknesses. If you ignore fundamental analysis, you could be surprised by high-impact news events that can break major support and resistance in a blink. If you ignore technical analysis, you could be affected by price movements at key levels. And if you completely ignore sentiment analysis and go with your own gut or tamang hinala ka, you could be entering a trade in a completely wrong, just mali talaga. So that's how important the 3 are. Part 7, practice first. I cannot emphasize more the importance of demo or virtual trading, guys. Siguro kasi I experienced getting my account wiped out more than enough before this finally got into my head. So this is my only request for you guys. Promise, do not start live until you can consistently earn in your demo account. I broke this promise myself and I'm telling you, the feeling is... A lot of people say that demo trading is useless because anyway, hindi mo naman iti-treat yun like real money. And I think that's where they're wrong. Kasi, kaya nga ginawa yung demo trading kasi part ng demo trading is putting yourself in a reality that, okay, this is real. This is the game. Ito na yun. So whatever you do in demo religiously, it will eventually be a part of your subconscious and discipline kasi when you go live. And demo trading should also help you neutralize your emotions in trading, lessen, the fear and greed we often feel as traders. So if you want to be good at Forex, start with self-discipline. Last part is choosing your broker. Finding your broker requires diligence, but for hacks, only 3 key points are the most important to check for me. First, the security. Are they regulated in their home country? Hindi mo naman ipapaubaya lang yung pera mo sa broker who's not even regulated sa sarili nilang bansa. Second is, are they good or do they have problems with regards to withdrawal transactions? Again, emphasis on withdrawal transactions. Because deposit is very easy with all the brokers naman eh. So you have to read reviews across the internet, do cross-referencing on the reviews, and comments on each broker you might have interest in. Dapat smooth yung pagkuha ng pera mo. Third is service. Now this has something to do with the trading proper. Some broker kasi they have lagging servers or platforms, so tatamaan yung execution ng trades mo. Tipong gusto mo na mag-entry pero ang bagal ng platform. Yung tipong gusto mo na mag-take profit, kaso dahil sa sobrang bagal ni server, naging loss pa. And you also have to check if lagging out of services sila. Especially when you need to contact them regarding your accounts and queries about trading. Signs na bogus ang isang broker is when they offer a lot of big bonuses. They offer accounts with low to zero spreads, and they have no minimum starting capital, and puro bad reviews mga clients nila. So that's it. So that's all, guys. Hope you learned a thing or two from this video. If you have some questions or gusto linawin, just comment down below. I have time to answer you guys, so don't hesitate. Feel free to share this to your friends or families as they might get interested in Forex. You don't know. So, ayun lang. Bye!